Have you ever felt like your job has become so unbearable that you had no choice but to quit? Maybe your manager is piling on impossible workloads, excluding you from meetings, or even humiliating you in front of coworkers. But here's the big question. If you quit under that kind of pressure, is it the same as being fired? And more importantly, how does it affect your rights, your unemployment benefits, and your career? Today, we're breaking down the truth about being forced to quit. Being fired means your employer terminated you. They made the decision. Being forced to quit usually refers to something called constructive discharge. This happens when working conditions become so intolerable that any reasonable person would feel they had no choice but to resign. The key: while you technically resigned, the law may treat it as if you were fired, but proving this isn't always easy. Many employers know that firing someone comes with risk: wrongful termination claims, unemployment costs, and potential lawsuits. By making the environment unbearable, they hope you'll quit voluntarily, which saves them money and legal risk. Normally, quitting makes you ineligible for unemployment, but if you quit due to constructive discharge, many states allow you to still collect benefits. What matters is documentation: emails showing harassment, evidence of unfair treatment, witnesses, medical documentation if needed. This is where we go deep, because protecting yourself is everything. First, document everything. Save emails, texts, and memos. Write down incidents with dates, times, and witnesses. If a manager humiliates you or threatens termination, log it. Always file internal complaints with HR. Even if they do nothing, your complaint becomes part of the record that strengthens your case later. Know your legal rights. Look up your state's rules on constructive discharge. Consult an employment lawyer for a free consultation. Protect your mental health. Being pushed out is exhausting. Talk to supportive friends, mentors, or a counselor. Your job is not your identity. So, is being forced to quit the same as being fired? On paper, no. But legally and practically, they can be treated the same if you prove your case. The truth is, no one should be cornered into leaving a job. If you're going through this now, you're not alone. If this video helped you understand your rights, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In our next episode, we're diving into how to write a rebuttal when your manager gives you a negative review. Remember, being forced to quit isn't always the end of the story. It could be the start of reclaiming your rights. Thanks for watching Work Answers. See you next time.